Tom would be quiet doing that. Tom would be quiet doing that. Tom would be happy doing that. Tom would be happy doing that. Tom won't like our doing that. Tom won't like our doing that. Tom won't be doing that again. Tom won't be doing that again. Tom should be done doing that. Tom should be done doing that. Tom says he enjoys doing that. Tom says he enjoys doing that. Tom said he'd quit doing that. Tom said he'd quit doing that. Tom said he enjoys doing that. Tom said he enjoys doing that. Tom objected to my doing that. Tom objected to my doing that. Tom needs to start doing that. Tom needs to start doing that. Tom doesn't really like doing that. Tom doesn't really like doing that. Tom just couldn't resist doing that. Tom just couldn't resist doing that. Tom planned on doing that yesterday. Tom planned on doing that yesterday. Tom has already finished doing that. Tom has already finished doing that. Tom has finished doing that already. Tom has finished doing that already. Tom shouldn't have tried doing that. Tom shouldn't have tried doing that. Tom's brothers are still doing that. Tom's brothers are still doing that. Tom wasn't interested in doing that. Tom wasn't interested in doing that. Tom said doing that was frustrating. Tom said doing that was frustrating. Tom is still considering doing that. Tom is still considering doing that. Shouldn't Tom be doing that outside? Shouldn't Tom be doing that outside? Tom immediately began doing that again. Tom immediately began doing that again. Tom doesn't have experience doing that. Tom doesn't have experience doing that. Tom should seriously consider doing that. Tom should seriously consider doing that. I want to see Tom doing that. I want to see Tom doing that. I know that Tom is doing that. I know that Tom is doing that. Tom said he had quit doing that. Tom said he had quit doing that. I could stop Tom from doing that. I could stop Tom from doing that. I know Tom is through doing that. I know Tom is through doing that. Is Tom supposed to be doing that? Is Tom supposed to be doing that? I didn't think Tom was doing that. I didn't think Tom was doing that. I'm better at doing that than Tom. I'm better at doing that than Tom. Tom got pretty good at doing that. Tom got pretty good at doing that. Tom is doing that, but Mary isn't. Tom is doing that, but Mary isn't. I suspect Tom won't be doing that. I suspect Tom won't be doing that. I wasn't aware Tom was doing that. I wasn't aware Tom was doing that. I don't enjoy doing that with Tom. I don't enjoy doing that with Tom. Tom said he would quit doing that. Tom said he would quit doing that. Tom and Mary are doing that wrong. Tom and Mary are doing that wrong. I didn't know Tom liked doing that. I didn't know Tom liked doing that. I could prevent Tom from doing that. I could prevent Tom from doing that. I couldn't stop Tom from doing that. I couldn't stop Tom from doing that. I've advised Tom to stop doing that. I've advised Tom to stop doing that. Tom won't stop Mary from doing that. Tom won't stop Mary from doing that. Tom was doing that just this morning. Tom was doing that just this morning. Tom says he doesn't enjoy doing that. Tom says he doesn't enjoy doing that. Tom is very interested in doing that. Tom is very interested in doing that. Tom is still incapable of doing that. Tom is still incapable of doing that. Tom is probably doing that right now. Tom is probably doing that right now. Tom doesn't seem to enjoy doing that. Tom doesn't seem to enjoy doing that.